This Nintendo Switch OLED didn't make any sounds. Not on the speaker and not on the Bluetooth. We have checked the audio chip, but it was no shortage on any of the capacitors. Voltage go in, but nothing came out. As everything else was fine, we started to replace the ALC5639 Realtek audio chip. Fortunately, the older Nintendo Switch using the same audio chip, so we harvested it. So far, so good. Oh, my... Now this is the time when you take a deep breath. As we removed the faulty chip, unfortunately I bounced off a few capacitors, which presumably important, so I tried to put them back. Now this was a Friday afternoon job, and be honest, not my best. This part is long, but if you ever had a similar issue, you may get a good laugh. You are not alone. And for the next time, I probably just leave it until next morning. Finally, I placed the new audio chip on the board without any further accident. After an audio test which was passed, I was finally ready to go home.